Hey guys, good evening and welcome back. Today we will try to understand one of the stock has given given such a massive downfall. So we will try to understand what is the reason and we will try to understand the fundamentals of the company, whether it is a strong fundamental, it has a strong fundamentals or not, like that. So before going to that, let me give you the disclaimer: content which we are discussing only for educational purpose. It is not a buy or sell recommendation, guys. So directly, let us get into the stocks, which is MTAR Technologies, guys. Today it has given 10% downfall, guys. Market has did it went down like anything. If you look at the 5 days performance, 14% downfall. If you look at 1 month performance, 2% downfall. Look at 6 month performance, 17%. If you look at 1 year performance, it is 3.57%. If you look at 5 years performance, it is just only 81%, guys. So we will try to understand the major reason behind today's downfall is because of the quarterly result that has announced year on year 27% downfall is there. EBIT 63% downfall is there. Net profit 84% downfall is there. EPS 83% downfall is there, guys. So if you look at the in the last March quarter, it was sales for like 196, and in the recent quarter it was 143. Same EBIT is 48 to 18, and the net profit is down from 30 to 5. So that is the reason it has given so much downfall today. So we'll try to understand the each and everything from the beginning. So the main basically the company is all about MTAR develops and manufactures the components and equipments for the defense, aerospace, nuclear and clean energy sector. The company was incorporated in 1917 by the promoters Mr. P.R. Reddy and Mr. K.S.N. Reddy and Mr. P.J. Reddy. So the let us try to understand the key subsidiaries: GP Aerospace and Defense Private Limited, and B is Magnetar Aerosystem Private Limited, non-optional. So the revenue by segment, if you look at the clean energy, civil, nuclear power is 9%, and the revenues versus 7.6% of financial year 2023. If you look at the space, it is 5%. If you look at the clean energy, fuel cell, uh, idle, idle and other 62%, and defense is 4%, and products and other 20%. And the geographical split is domestic is 26%, and export is 74%. So there is some order book also as of 31st December 2023. The company has an order book of 1,178.9 crores, out of which 295 crores of orders were received in the Q3 of FY24, guys. The order book is divided into clean energy and clean energy fuel cell 13% and 65% respectively, and space is 11%, defense is 4%, and products and others is 4%, guys. So if you want to more details about, you just get into it, and you can read out these, guys. So the thing is basically the MTAR Technologies is into manufacturing the components equipments that are useful for the defense, aerospace and nuclear and the clean energy sectors. So currently the market cap is 5,600 crores. Currently it is trading at 1838. So its book value is 220 and the stock P is 101. So if you look at the peer comparison, uh, the P is Hindustan Aeronautics is still 44. uh, Bharat Dynamics is 118, and BEML is 65, and MTAR Technologies is 100, guys. So if you look at the PE perspective also, it is little bit high only. So we'll try to understand the profit and loss account, year on year profit and loss account. If you look at the sales from 2000 March 2013, data is available. In the March 2013 it was 95,105, then it got reduced, 81, 101, again it got increased. In 2018 it was 157, 184, 214, 246, 322, 573, 580. So if you look at from 2016, the sales are getting increasing. We will try to see the profit before tax. Profit before tax also 2, 3, minus 7, minus 1, minus 22, and 17, 42, 46, 65, 82, 141, 73. This March year, last year, the profit before tax has gone down like anything. Even if you like look at the net profit is also 0 to minus 5 0 minus 15 5 39 31 46 61 104 and 56. If you look at like from 2018, consistently it was increasing, but like in the last year like it shows its down performance. If you look at the return on equity, last year it is 9 digits, I mean 9%. If you look at the other 3 years, 5 years and 10 years, it is double digits. Stock GR, CAGR is like minus 4% in the last year, because as we saw the chart it has given, it has not performed that well. And if you look at the compounded profit growth is also like on the TTM it is minus 4%, if you respectively 7%, 8% and 41%. If you look at like investors shareholding pattern, promoters holding is like 50 50 50 50, 47 47 46 39 39 37 37 guys. So if you look at like promoter holding is like reducing, decreasing gradually. And if you look at the FIS and DIS holdings, they are like increasing the stakes, whatever they sold they bought it. And if you look at the DIS is also like there also it seems like reducing. Actually in September 2023 24% were there, and in December 2023 it was 18%. Now also it is 18%. If you look at the FIS like 2023 June it was 4%. In September they increased it to 18.8%. In December 11%. In March like it is 10%. They also sold out some of the stocks. So if you look at like public shareholding pattern, it is 23 28 27 32 and 34 guys. So that is what all about the MTAR Technologies. All and all, if you say this is a small cap company which is having market capitalization of 5,600 crores. So here and there fluctuations will be there. Company is into like very good business. So we should see how it is going to like perform in the coming years. If you look at the PE ratio is also like the median PE is 18.29, but currently it is trading at 99 guys. So you can study, you can do your own analysis before investing. So that's all guys. Thank you so much.